In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the coil pack on your Honda Pilot. This is located in the engine bay on the front and rear side of the engine. Let's get started. To access our spark plugs, we need to remove the engine cover. This has 4 pop sockets, front and rear, and just pulls right out. We'll set that off to the side. Now we can go ahead and remove our coil pack. The bolt here is a 10 millimeter. With our 10 millimeter removed, we can start to pull the coil pack out. We have a rubber boot over the connector. We just need to peel that back in order to undo it. Now we have a tab on the top side of the connector. We're going to push in on that, and then we can remove our coil pack. Now we can install our coil pack. As we install the coil pack, we're going to plug in our connector. You want to make sure you can hear or feel the click. If you don't, make sure it's fully seated and won't come unplugged. And then fold our boot back over the connector and make sure that the coil pack is fully seated down. Now we'll tighten that down, being cautious not to over tighten it. We'll double check to make sure that we're all seated. That's good. Replacing the rest of the spark plugs is the same as the first one. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our engine cover. I like to find each grommet on the underside with a finger. And that's secured.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.